We're talking to Ryan Bizarri today here on Muddy Water Radio, and he's got a cut with Rodney Atkins. It's called Eat, Sleep, Love You, Repeat. He's got a songwriting workshop coming up at Common Chord. I love this because there's so many musicians in the Quad Cities. Who would you say that this workshop is for? It's happening April 13th, Common Chord.
I think everybody could get something out of it, no matter if you just wrote your first song or if you've written, what do they say, 1,000 songs, 99 songs, whatever it is. If you go to this workshop and you walk away with one thing that either it reminded you of something that maybe you should or shouldn't be doing with your songs, or I didn't know that, at the very least inspire somebody to kind of think, I hope I can tell some stories that maybe jog their brain a little bit. Songwriting is kind of like you take your first step, you take your second step.
Yeah.
2,000 steps later, now you got something that people really need to hear. You just got to keep building and growing. So yeah, everybody and anybody. I hope some people come and just maybe they're curious about what I've been doing or who I am. That'd be fun too.
Is this if somebody is more of a country songwriter, or is it any genre can really benefit from the same kind of tools?
Yeah, I always encourage musicians to be open-minded, and I don't like to draw lines between genres. Of course, there's differences, but songwriting is just about, can everybody feel it?
Yeah.
Are you excited about it? Does it make sense? Are you speaking to people that, saying what people want to hear or need to hear?
Yeah.
And then there's tools to kind of make that better for you to get across. I don't think there's a difference. I think in pop, maybe your lyrics are a little more general. Country, I prefer country lyrics that are very specific and detailed.
I love that it's open to all genres. Happening April 13th, Common Chord, Ryan Bizarri's songwriting workshop. Do you have a name for it, or just songwriting workshop?
Oh, we're going to call it Eat, Sleep, Songwriting, Repeat.
Nice. Love that.
And I was concerned about, I don't want people to think, oh no, this is a country workshop, so I'm not.
I'm glad we're clearing the air
It's
on
definitely the all, come one, come all.
When you help songwriters, what is one of the most common ways that people could improve?
People who are writing their first songs may not know the form, like a format, like a verse, chorus, bridge kind of thing, or may not understand how important it is to do that. So it's good to be reminded of song structure. I think the obvious one is rhyming. Somebody who wrote their first song might say, he's feeling blue and so are you.
We're talking to Ryan Bizarri today. He's got a songwriting workshop coming up at Common Chord. It's open to all genres. Happening April 13th, Common Chord, Ryan Bizarri's songwriting workshop.